place is so hot. Here it is. It smells so good, guys. Hey guys, welcome to another video with Boss Babe Nikki. Oh yes, so guys, in this video we are going on the road. I want to go to Harmony Park, and I'm going to take some pictures for my new thumbnail that I'm planning to do. Also do a little bit of shopping. You guys will see how it goes, okay? Yes, so if you're a return subscriber, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and join my family. Also follow me on TikTok and Instagram at Boss Babe Nikki 28. Guys, and let's get into the video, okay? Guys, Harmony Beach Park. There's a lot of people here today. Guys, the place is so hot. I swear. Tell me how this glass is looking on me. Nobody knows me like I do. Nobody knows me like I do. Hey.
Pick up a camera, shoot something, no matter how small, no matter how cheesy, no matter whether your friends and your sister star in it, put your name on it as director. Now you're a director. Everything after that, you're just negotiating your budget and your fee. So it's a state of mind, is really the point. Once you commit yourself to do it, then the hard part starts. In the filmmaking business, no one ever gives you anything. Nobody ever taps you on the shoulder and say, you know, I've really admired the way you talk and the way you draw. I think you'd make a good director. It doesn't happen that way. You have to constantly be pulling on somebody's sleeve, saying, hey, I want to direct, I want to direct, I want to direct, and you have to be willing to make sacrifices to do that.
After leaving Harmony Beach Park, we went to Sunrise Catering and find foods in Witter Village, guys, and get some food. We were starving. Yeah, we didn't wait until we get home. We just ordered, went outside and dive in. The food was amazing, the ambience was amazing. This is really one of the restaurants that we love to go to, guys. They were renovating for months now, so finally they're back. Yeah, so we definitely went back. I also got a corn. Guys, we're in Progressive. This is what we got. Nick Knobs. This is what I got, this only. Hey guys, so I'm back home. I don't know how much clip me have. Camera shake, but I don't know how much clip me have so far, but let's see. If it's gonna be a short vlog, it's a short vlog. So I want to introduce you guys to this new scent that I got. Here is it. We got it at Progressive. Tell you what I see. Well, it smells like coconut, but mixture of something. So basically, you know, hydrate the body and a coconut water and orchid flavor. See there. It smells like coconut with orchid, yeah, but like fresh water too, in one sense. and the Sensodyne. This is what we got the last time, but it was blue summer here, so I never straight white, but we got to buy 2 and get 1 free. So this was a deal. We didn't need toothpaste, but when we saw the deal, we just take advantage of it. We spent at the supermarket at Progressive, we spent $9,897.13. Yeah, we never get not much, just like Sinox and like toiletry. Yeah, tissue, toothpaste, body wash. Get one carbolic soap. Carbolic soap for Dominic, because sometimes your skin itching. Yeah, you don't get no out of the norm. Get one hand soap because that did finish as well. Toilet paper and soap, baby soap. Yeah, and I got this. Actually, I got 2 stuff. This one wash out for Dominic. Yeah, so it's a Mojo boiling herb. Someone wash out for Dominic. Feel like he need wash out. Let me get this eye drop. This is for me and him. It's clear eyes for dryness release, help with itchiness, burning, dry eyes, all of that, and redness. So here it is. I'm gonna pay 1200. No, I'm pay like 1400 and something. Like this. Yeah, $1,431.47. We pay for this, but without tax at $1,245. So yeah, my godmother get this for them. Yeah, at the same pharmacy. We have to wash out the kids them. I did wash them out, but apparently we never get when we do it before I go back to school September. But like he need to again. Yeah. So that is it. I'm gonna close off the vlog. I know say me look a mess and stuff. It was a long day. Guys, we actually reached home and it's, let me tell you the time. My laptop is off. It's after 7 going to 8. So I'm just gonna shower and we eat already. We stop by the restaurant, so me just shower, relax for the rest of the night and maybe look through the footage we may have and try do little editing. If not, I'm just gonna maybe watch some movie with Chef because we always have movie night and stuff. A long time we not do that. Otherwise from that, that's just about it. So guys, my Pandora is dirty, hence why I never wear it today. So I'm gonna wear this, my customized bracelet with the kids them name on it. We have Nikki, Dominic, Amir, Jace, I love you. It's so pretty. Let's see if we can make you see. The writing is on it. It's customized, made from yours truly. Beautiful mess, a beautiful mess by Nikki. So yeah, me see this method where them use baking soda, boiling water. Baking soda, boiling water. I know some have all of the ingredients them here at home. There is something else, but I don't remember what. If you clean your Pandora bracelet, see charms them. I only have 2 charms. This art one and then my initial. Be able to get it for me. And maybe say let me tell you what it says. Pandora, and then the next side says love forever with the infinity and the art. Yeah, so I get it for Mother's Day last year. Be upset by it for me, but it's dirty. But this time I'll carry go to the store, go get it clean over by Main Street Main Street out by Rose all there. So but me see that up there, I say I go try that because you know it's easier to get it done at home. Let's see how it goes. And I remember the ingredients, but while I do the video, I will update, you know, or maybe I do a voiceover. I go find out back and I say I go do that now before my shower. Yeah, because I really wanted to wear it today for the photo shoot, but I didn't because it's so dirty. So we're gonna clean it and let's see how that goes, guys. Let's see how that goes. I can't talk, no, some can't talk already. So guys, these are my ingredients: baking soda, vinegar. I have my pan here. I saw the girl use dishwashing liquid, but I'm gonna use the hand soap that I just got at the supermarket, and some warm water. So soap, warm water, baking soda. Ooh, that's a lot. Then vinegar. And then I'm gonna put them in it. Yeah, and I'm gonna just leave it for soaking, and then I'm gonna clean it up and show you guys the ending result. Yeah, it smells so good, guys. Like something I eat. Oh, I guess it's the hand soap. So guys, this was not a part of the method, but I'm going to do it. I'm just using a toothbrush and brushing the surfaces. So pretty. Dominic is watching SpongeBob. I'm gonna close this door. I don't remember about it. I think I'm really cool. So guys, this is the ending result. It's very clean, pretty and sparkly, and yeah, I love the way it's looking. Yeah. If you have a Pandora bracelet that is dirty, that's the way you clean it. Here's a better view of it, guys. It is now clean and pretty. It was so dirty. So I'm just gonna close off the vlog. Thanks for watching to the end. If you have reached the end of this video, guys, leave 3 pink hearts, okay? And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.